Chris.
Christina.
No,
I'm supposed to go first.
Chris and Christina sounds way better than Christina and Chris. Chris sounds...
Go first. Whatever.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Chris.
And I'm Christina.
And you are now watching Ollyaga.
And we have a very exciting story for you today. We went to a
banana farm!
So the banana farm we went to is called Simply Banana.
In Charleston, South Carolina.
Before we get into anything, we have to talk about Chris's crazy tumble he took when we first got there. It was so funny. So we actually staged this as a joke to make you guys laugh. And it turns out he actually fell. So what we did is we took a banana, real banana peel, put it on the ground, and he was just gonna walk on it and pretend like he fell. Well, he actually falls. It was hilarious.
Can we get a replay right quick?
What's up, guys? We're meeting Mr. Frank at the Simply Banana Farm. So let's get ready to go. Oh! 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 What the? Oh my God! This thing is no joke, guys. Do not play with bananas. They are dangerous.
I had like a bruise on my butt for at least 2 weeks.
Oh
I'm
my
not even lying
gosh.
to you. Oh my gosh.
So funny because, you know, it turns out banana peels are actually really slippery.
All that stuff you see on cartoons? No, it's real.
That's
They're lethal.
real.
Don't litter.
Myth busted.
Yeah. So when we arrived at the banana farm, I was expecting these palm-like trees with bananas hanging over them, but apparently that's not the case. Bananas actually grow on plants.
Yeah, it's not a tree. It's actually the world's largest herb, which is really cool. I didn't know that. Did you guys know that? Anyways, well, we learned that because actually some people use the banana leaves to cook with. So they'll put their food in it and they'll just wrap it up and they'll cook it like that. And it adds flavor to their food. And then they can also use it as a plate, which I think is really cool.
I think that would be pretty cool.
Some ideas for you guys to try if you're interested.
Have a banana leaf. So I used to think all bananas had seeds. I even used to think on the bottom of the banana, that brown spot, I thought that was a seed my whole life. So apparently that's not the case.
No, actually very few bananas have seeds. It's like 1 in 100,000 bananas actually carry seeds. Yeah.
How? Because I mean, we have all these bananas in the stores in different types. There's no way 1 in 100,000.
I know, it's crazy, right? So actually, the banana plants mainly come from what we call the mother plant, which is a full-grown banana plant. So what happens, I'll break it down for you. So what happens is, the full-grown mother plant, you know, fruits its bananas, which only happens once. Once it's done, then it doesn't fruit any more bananas. So after that, all the nutrients flows to the roots, and out of the root comes a pup, which is a baby banana plant.
Like a puppy.
Yeah, exactly. So then what they do is they dig it up and then they replant it and it's ready to grow into a new banana plant, mother plant.
I hope you all enjoyed this video.
Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, and check out our website at ollyaga.com. And remember, sharing is caring.
Did you say, you just, you get it. I was gonna say.
Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, and check out my
What?